Using the same light and same trigger in same location is very tough for photographers. So on today's vlog, I'm giving you the new Godox AD600 Pro II combined with the Godox X3. The Godox AD600 Pro II and X3 is a powerful combo for flash photography. So guys, what's new on the Godox AD600 Pro II with the previous one? So on today's vlog, I'm gonna give you a new update or new upgrade from the version 1 to version 2 of the Godox AD600 Mark II. But before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So guys, without further ado, let's start. First, the ability to wireless the 8600 Pro II to the X3, especially for the X3. There's a feature on these two device which is a wireless sync. Wireless sync, like you don't need to set direct from your channel and group. Just point the wireless sync and easy to sync each other, guys. So you will set the again the by own channel and it's like an automatic sync from the X3 and the Godox AD600 Pro II. So again guys, the new LED lights on the both side of the strobe. This light will change the color depending on the group you have assigned in to the light. So if you have the light set to group A, the light will be red. If the strobe is set to group B, the LED will turn to purple. So that is the new LED light, both LED lights on the both side of the Godox 8600 Mark II Pro. So next guys is the 40 watts. So compare for the first version that 8600 which is only 30 watts for the continuous bulb or the modeling lamp or modeling bulb. Actually, it's not a bulb anymore. It's LED. Yeah. Now it's 40 watts bicolor. Again, 40 watts bicolor modeling light. So, but we have all it and also can go for 2800 Kelvin up to 6000 Kelvin. So again, guys, the modeling light of the new Godox AD600 Pro II, how you can change already the Kelvin from 2800 Kelvin up to 6000 Kelvin. So also the new upgrade, you have a minimum power which is already 1 over 512. So again guys, the typical flash before from the Godox 8600 Mark 1 is only 256. 1 over 256. But the new Godox 8600 Pro Mark 2 is already 512. So it's very low light. So if you want to use a very low source of light, you can use the 512 of the AD600. So this combination is very perfect, especially with the Godox X3 paired with the Godox AD600 Pro II. It's a perfect combination. So this combo, guys, is perfect for whether you are a wedding photographer, a fashion photographer, sports photographer, or any types of photographer. Even you are whether you are a hobbyist or a professional photographer, this combo is perfect for you. The X3 and AD600 Pro II. So again, guys, just comment down below. What do you think of this light? The new AD600 Pro II and the Godox X3. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you have any question, you can comment down below and I'll try to answer. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, thank you. Again, if you want to check the price, sorry. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Godox AD600 Pro II, it's available already now here guys in our showroom. So you can come visit us here in Megastore Showroom, Salmiya, if you're here in Kuwait. Or you can check to our website, www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.